why and you know Sadino is from birth of the club and against team a fan of Barcelona in the last 3 seasons who's someone the most disappointing team in the UEFA Champions League. Team Oguneni Masapa is FC Barcelona. Today they are playing because if you beat Roma 4-1 at home and you lose 3-0 at home, disappointed. Now it was the next season. Ucha Liverpool 3-0 or New Camp. Now Kwaji 4-0 we now free more. Now the next season Oko Pen Nema edge about team no one meno to highlight the sort of lacuna, the sort of vacuum and Nema Akati in that team. It clearly shows FC Barcelona they have been the overwhelming disappointing team in the UEFA Champions League in the last 3 seasons. Concern. Don't mention PSG. Don't mention Juve because these teams, you know, among the level of Barcelona. It's a day for Ansu Fati to make a record. But Valverde Akasa say and then a result and no munya. Patron, everything said and done. Suarez may be back. Messi may start from the bench. Dortmund for Sikito Mutin, Akasa, Royce, Jadon Sancho, the likes of Abante Fenaya, Julian Branton, Wetzel, Guerrero, Matumos, and Akenji Ewetreno, Roman Buki, number 1 goalkeeper, Waba back. Difficult to see Dortmund losing this game 2-2.
2-2.
Yeah, I'm going for 2-2.
2-2.
Game with a pipe.
2-2. They are not sure.
I'm seeing 2-2 in this game.
Well, for goals, very possible. Because Dortmund were 13 goals, and Barca were 12 goals in their respective leagues. In terms of 4 goals between Abba match, I'm not so surprised. But can I maybe can't share Liverpool there that time, Oma? My Baba share Barca versus Dortmund. Can defending the UEFA Champions League there is always the need for mind games. But I think that sometimes Klopp your mind games now trans your critical analysis out of opinion to perform well in the Champions League you need consistency.
Silver Sports.
The key element in your team the previous season and you can say lose some rant and it's still on that room. Oh they are not ton say class kakrabem. Because the Champions League nyomna bar ultimu say class beat nyomna sija clubs ni bi. The club boya na adwin say Obabe yi blame ne dey to Manchester City so no. Even though it's mind games, but the fact still remains the Manchester City team the level of failure UEFA Champions League oma fam under coach Pep Guardiola season in season out na feel way they have to do something. Barcelona under a little bit of transition. Atletico Madrid same thing. Real Madrid same thing. Oko Bayern Munich and they are pretty obvious. Nico Kovac, transition wo. Brajuve. Mauricio Sarri are taking over. The Sarismo. Akakoma, the old ladies. John also Shanyama Kakra wo. And pick the big teams Omo call it a shot in the UEFA Champions League, and you realize that Omo nyina even said 70% readiness for this year Champions League but she Manchester City consistency ne ring bell chemistry ne that's what because the core of the Manchester City team coach Pep Asakipu and Man City a club only class Europe but coach not a bench that winning mentality. I agree 100% with coach club say Man City is a club to watch out this season in the UEFA Champions League. So I'm disappointing. Names, any living up to expectation are a different story altogether. But I think this can be the season for Manchester City and people should watch out. But to the game itself, Ken. Social clubs are defend the UEFA Champions League now. Since the team, if an AC Milan in the year 1994-1995 Champions League. After saying watch Barcelona the previous season, actually 4-0, a UEFA Champions League final. I just seen in Arsenal. The first game against Ajax, Lusu 2-0 in a Group D encounter. Can Lusu 2-0 and I said did one more Sankushi Ajax for final. And my Ajax Sanchez 1-0 that year Ajax Nigeria UEFA Champions League. Can since then, club will be about the UEFA Champions League in the next season. The first game on Lusu, and that is a good record. I go in favor for team friend Liverpool. On my modern crowd will be a draw, and that is how the tables has been since. AC Milan share Barca 4-0. The following season, I share 2-0 in the opening game. That is the level of confidence how a Liverpool fan will be to this particular game. Back in last season, Liverpool so show me here. At the end hard game on Champions League no boy was away games. And in metro away games at Liverpool boy, Ken Omentimi and live up to expectations, no disappointment. Even so, show game on against Napoli. I'm about 4 shots, but Nina off target. Until there wasn't a single shot on target from that Liverpool front trainer. If you ask your Gio say when you're talking about front three, what to be above top 5 no you Liverpool get free. Omentimi about a single shot on target. And Ken, that Napoli team, no, to me, there is an improvement. In that Napoli team last season, Omni Liverpool boy, this season, improvement kakraba. It was Costas Manolas, no Ababeka, Abantefin Koulibaly who were children on Kenaye. It's an improvement. Just that, our chemistry, understanding, your communication, our form kakra. And until that this season, watch a Napoli year with Sierra, Oma consider 7 goals. And just weekend game, you boy against Sampdoria, and Omo keep a clean sheet. So it's just a matter of time. Because Manolas the Greece god. On the Abranti Feno, Koulibaly can say it will be a solid pair. But moving forward to other discussions. Anytime you have a UEFA Champions League or midweek Biano, will be fair, sir. Boka game you're born Saturday. So you'll be a better view of drawing board our coaches Nini, Eddie Baby Remo game. And Kings also Napoli game on board against Sampdoria. Coach friend Carlo Ancelotti dropped 2 strong players. And it wasn't an issue of injury. Clearly, it was an issue of tactics. Because Alan, any about Feno, Lorenzo Insigne, can Omunye players are no better. And Sampdoria, a club at this in social Syria, get number 2 games on mobile ball and San Omar Napoli, but no consider 7 goals. Omon area. To your coach, so about against Liverpool, you will try and rest some of your players. Into Alan, and Lorenzo Insigne was rested. Because Liverpool so no can. Liverpool big games on boy UEFA Champions League, we always feel say Jordan Henderson your weak point. But for the Gengen Pressing Football Club born, they will keep him in a setup. Henderson try bench against Newcastle. Roberto Firmino so not a bench. Later Origi Prime Obeshim. And to with these 2 players set try bench, it should tell you how our coaches way. A person when you enough strength normally Baby Remo in this particular game. Can Sausha Alana. He's the shield of the Napoli team. On I said, I'm justice play no. I'm Golo Kante to some extent. I'm Wilfred indeed. Ghana Hebeka se wakasu no. Some person stop Liverpool team na Roberto Firmino who here. Because Ken, some person Firmino in 25 Champions League games he's been involved in 22 goals. The last 25. And on I involved in more goals than Salah and even Sadio Mane. It's a coach in the rest now. Nessa who pay obia obetimi stop no. So Alan any Firmino adwuma na nebe yi pa against Abantefin Koulibaly. So question na police Lorenzo Insigne. Even Trent Alexander-Arnold today at their two say he's the hazard of their team. The ball bona is a hazard. And the king and right back and left back one so adwuma no wo hoye. Because I will share we say Kalion so or pace, ken or skill or experience. From Real Madrid to Napoli, wahuni nyina. Captain for a team my friend Napoli, Lorenzo Insigne. On swap tena krom wa ye adwuma ni ye. Tina grand pound of the two that say Italian football the next weekend that youngster. Into Andy Robertson and Trent Alexander-Arnold so yesu nim say Liverpool team no mo na initiate attack ni French no. Kin and na so mo so adwuma ye pay ye. And I made the Firmino the na to him say on the sacrifice work for the attack man Liverpool e more balance e ma Salah and Sadio Mane timi ye adwuma because I no drop be je ball na quick fit quick pass no je mu na Salah mo enjoy the praises omo na make the headlines but adwuma ne pa no Firmino na ye last year 1 goal na be mu Liverpool achieved 15 goals this season in the Premier League good one but omo goalkeeper no e betimi a hard dream pay ye Liverpool goalkeeper no because clean sheet one a goalkeeper no den Liverpool be set train bi atom Michel Napoli anim ho Fabian Rumo omo je mama dress Martin Kalion mo aken 3 goals encounter the best for Liverpool be a draw okay? Goalkeeper no dem no
2-2 draw na
the best for Liverpool be a draw so 3 goals na na best for Liverpool if you menya be 1-1 be but on paper Carlo Ancelotti and the boys near ahead.
Okay. So about the champion Andy.
Okay.
Over there.
Right. Okay. My enchia tafo hospital national health insurance scheme officer so my be sure the modern den dey on and chia odi for someone chairman of the smani almost so 8 years show. Well, can Champions League in 2019-2020 na year starting in there. Na finals in the Bebaso at the Talk Stadium. The last time I finals in the Bebaso it was Liverpool against AC Milan. And Liverpool would GDB say anytime Champions League in the Beba more taking or some Mokoko. And the last time our ball against Chelsea at the Vodafone Arena no almost 90 minutes on penalties in the European Super Cup. Iti omu GDB say Champions League nese ko baby at the last time omu Champions League in 2005 against Milan and omu ese ba taking it there. It is up for a grab and it is a Champions League for Liverpool. Real Madrid the team had in 3 times into the issue of say obedia to us in recent times are deno ke Liverpool san wo GDB so omu betimi asanje. And don't forget in 1976 1977 almost share Borussia Mönchengladbach, and in 1977-1978 almost such a club which it was coach Efeni Bob Paisley and a Duomoji and Liverpool. It was IGD and so Mobeti has repeated that feat or Penny Efeni Bob Paisley a Duomoji into Omu Rome at this particular UEFA Champions League. No, Omu GD say, Osha form Omudi Rome or the EPL. Any form Omudi Rome in the UEFA Champions League. Last season, no almost starting. No, we away games na performance no of them until they lost in Estadio San Paulo, they lost at the Parc des Princes, and Belgrade, you know, so almost but after that, games boy in the round of 16, in the quarterfinals, in the semi-finals, and in the final. Make it some many excellent results apart from the Barcelona game. Lose 3-0 at the Stadio Company, but that is company for you. And you'll be able to results I saw me until losing 3-0. And turning the deficit to a 4-0 at the Anfield, you know. Next year, Liverpool are ready. And Omar ready at this particular time, they were talking about consistency. Said now, Liverpool team now. In the Papa Copen were film, that is Alisson Becker. Very, very key at this particular occasion. And Liverpool call finals or main team, you know. Only one player almost said that be or more problem imposed, and they will need that goalkeeper imposed or betting me. I'm making sure that Yama betting me a mom. And having a goalkeeper, I will be making 8 saves in 13 minutes tells you the quality that he brings to the table. So watch your Napoli team now. Ken, almost so what check more in the Italian Serie A. Games Bono they played against Fiorentina at the Atemeo Franchi. And Omoko J Arena against Juventus. And then Anomo with Sampdoria. Games Omubo in their first game against Napoli or against Fiorentina. Omo conceded 3 goals. Almost J Arena no, almost conceded 4 goals, and the last time moment we conceded goal. Into the catch on said, so Chipoko a friend in Napoli, almost yet him an attack and yes, sharper, can almost concede goals. And so what check Fiorentina attack now. You talking of Abranti Efeno, Dusan Vlahovic, and the lead attack, and then you talking of Abranti Efeno, Federico Chiesa, and Ricardo Sotelo. These are the 3 players on only attack for Fiorentina. And in Juventus, no almost so with Douglas Costa on the right. Cristiano Alvaro dos Santos Ronaldo on the left and Gonzalo El Pipita Higuain up front. The 3 players almost sharp for Juve, almost have 4 goals against the Napoli team. In 2 games, Ken almost considered 7 goals. It tells you say anytime the Carlo Ancelotti side of Abranti Efendi Di Lorenzo, Fauzi Gualem, Massimovic or Kostas Melonas as against AF Koulibaly Nebeba. Almost yet team on attack so sharp or more pace or more tricky. And I'm getting more weak in attack. Now stretch Oma, making mistakes. In Tiana Juma Carlo Ancelotti come to see him no 3 times no winning the UEFA Champions League. And Obi Carlo Ancelotti said, when they talk of organization on the field of play in the Champions League night, you go in for him. The last time Liverpool Rebu, I was Stadio San Paulo no, Lorenzo Insigne, a goal no in the 90+ minutes no, separated the 2 sides. And it was a game of Liverpool boy again. Out of the 90 minutes, I'm more shot on target. So Liverpool form Omudi Roma is entirely different compared to last season. But to be almost a Juman was said, Omo said how to create a hole between the full backs of Napoli. Fauzi Gualem cannot be trusted. Abranti Efendi Di Lorenzo, Ebe Johnny, team Efendi Napoli no, ni Montebo Airshani. Massimovic in a bebo, and I say Kostas Melonas in a bebo. So in recent times, after the Juventus game now. Coach your friend Carlo Ancelotti asked it to Massimovic as against Abrante Feno, Khalid Koulibaly. Khalid Koulibaly called more answer that against Salah the last time, no? Kena Anko Ye. Into a Juman, say one. You need to stop Roberto Firmino from a corner of first why the sacrificial job to create space and acting as a decoy for the two players on the flanks. Another way can I say, Mo Salah ended the channel of supply for the Liverpool team on the right. It's the first goal 11 in the ball. Lorenzo is saying in the ball. Lorenzo is saying he is supposed to hit that particular angle. Said the boy Emma pressure be Emma defense and so. And for me, I feel in terms of play, Liverpool are going to take control over the midfield. Carlo Ancelotti beko for Fabian Ruiz in deep midfield. And what he said the last time about against Sampdoria. Obebo Abrante Zelensky and Alana Obetime Ejuma. Ken midfield know how to stop and cut the supply from midfield and so Ejuma. Obian inform Agigi Banadium. Ewum Obian what Fabinho can do in terms of say or destroy the final touch passes and the control of the Napoli team in midfield. Because Alan be the controller for the Napoli team. Liverpool saw Ejuma because Obion Abrante Jose Callejon and himself in terms of defensive abilities, so Adi as a defender or tackle in terms of recovery to support Abrante Di Lorenzo on that vertical line, you go for him. He's just super. Or experience. We're boy in that UEFA Champions League night in such big games. And the last time he was part of that particular occasion. But be a Liverpool saw Ejuma Ken. How are they going to stop Abrante Lorenzo is saying. Obian in the form of Andy Robertson. But this is a game you need to work and work so well. Because almost your team, so we check the number of assists that the fullbacks and the attackers now. And no matter what you do. The next thing they say, Carlo Ancelotti come for 4-4-2 there. Next is about Abrante Feno, Alan Zelensky in midfield. No about Jose Callejon on the right. No about Abrante Lorenzo is sitting on the left. It's likely to be going for Fernando Llorente and Abrante Dries Mertens. Dries Mertens is the Abrante Roberto Firmino of Napoli. And also that sacrificial job. A false nine who can operate from the left, on the right, on your static around the area. Or pace or scale, and he can take on. And the movement is very key. And he allows the Abrante Lorenzo is to function in the final third of the pitch. Until Van Dijk and so Ejuma to stop the two players on the Abrante Joel Matip. The Liverpool centre back pair is just solid. There be a more problem with a goalkeeper. Obetina rising to the occasion and now in the Champions League night, it's entirely different. A very close game, very, very close one indeed.
Okay.
But Ken, I feel Liverpool Benya results at Papa the last time. I'm going in for a 1-1 draw. It was Stadio Sampali in the game that will come on tonight.
Okay. That's Andy. Also for call there.
Ken Akupa Dama be very fine. Ken, my main shot sent from free. Kumasi Asante Kotoko mo aso eh. Branch of Yumano Jenfi Sunday no. Branch and Pekin knock. Obeka last season confederation no. Branch any prior. I'm a doctor. You are 37. No be against Branch no. Game known to me about the following match, but and Akupa Adoma doctor you are 37. To me, attending to Yumano Jenfi. To me board the following game to doctor no. So I'm for Yumano Jenfi Emra Kotoko supporter. Obesa working on the boys and the bear and Obetona. Second leg, no.
I'm going to go with doctor and from us.
Doctor and a friend. Someone from him. No, on share. I brought you money, Jemfi. King. About you now. King, already the free ever submitted the form, no. Now, coupon I do my Friday. Over submitting.
It is an mockers of free copy forms.
Also, on copy key.
It is an mockers of a copy form.
Our copy key. It will be called Friday. Or picky a man for praise on man dorsey. So he only part in Numa Nansia. Or me football people. Or Muka football kunu. A man for are you ready, eager to endorse for
endorsement in the NIPA 5. Teams 5.
Teams 5. But do draw now.
Into a team up picky be a winning teams 5.
Okay, Obi struggle. Obi struggle.
And wine and Yanipa 5.
King, Papa be wrong. No, if you
okay, or teams 5 for Yabi.
Who are Canano? No, a paper. Who are everyone?
Fred Papu no Safadoka. Fred Papu no Safadoka.
Fanny Yanipa 5.
Who one or the Fuatana, so no attempt. Until no be a fino.
Sir. I'm doing it back way.
And you are, you know.
Now we just
But teams 5 for the I think it's a teams there's a 1 round 20 say.
okay.
Second and
That's a win your 5 moment or so.
you know I say any
But no more than money for
level so.
And there's an endorsement to the ground, I'm going to expect as a quarter.
I say King.
Because I'm got 10. Nipple Ubu Crown could
Can even okay Ghana in our crowd politics in England and it move of a phone call. People are
struggling.
Go for so prison bed or
Go for so pray. Your brand and I am also struggle.
And I pray for 5.
I also pray for.
Don't be disturbed. Don't be disturbed about
I pray for 5. Now you are so P for P.
As a crowd don't come for any woman.
About for P for P. About for
okay.
Palmer for president. On us back the forms. Now, King, Asante region, a retired referee, or saying Sia, and we are Wakofa.
Also, what's your 5,000?
What you know, RF is need to 2005. To know so Wakofa here. See, I feel
2,500.
Wakofa. Referee of the contest. But they say we need to Asante region.
I'm on for Adria Yaba, for president.
Yeah,
I'm not the council.
RF executive council.
Executive council.
Yes.
Or more also person move around. I was on worship.
I know shipper.
I was on worship.
I know shipper.
So the president two.
Anybody two better.
You two. But I know worship.
I know it.
no shit.
But that's it. But the meaning because of course I Ghana football. The problem about the Ghana football anymore. But open here, you follow a lawyer more example, so I controversial.
Of course.
I don't know the decision on here for the hair on mobile. Nipa be saying, there's a trouble man.
We have problem with good governance. Silver Sports. The issue is that you need to follow the best part. And one of the key issues, our position requirement for every leader is to pay yourself from any criminality. It's crucial because anyone can now be surprised. Because one of the key things is that every leader must be more a person of high moral character and proving integrity. Serious high moral character and proving integrity. Yes, we will be called no open mouth for protect compound. But a man telling someone and the question this well open Silver Sports. When you to president, a man the be happy to say something. And you know your phobia when it comes to morally or your phobia or meaning on time no sound off on pen mouth off. What I did in that film, all I said, and put integrity in it. Oh dear, would dear, obi no want some car inside your body. No dear, I would say Papa with your son. These are the tests. This should be the test. And you know, I still say the criteria no want to make sure that be around and so police is for more issues of integrity and issues of moral character. In fact, to me, company they have to go like DNI and the national security because listen to me, I put you for now Silver Sports do a background check. Say what can someone apart from only criminal record per se because Niamo Yano and next crime, but a morally wrong.
Okay. But you go training 90 and yes, I can about. I'm not for this week.
Ken, a master, dear, where you have to be careful the way you analyze a master. Silver Sports. Master analysis, they are coming to my baby Kakra. Because Nipper be breed before. Well, master. Master, dear, what is on your master? So it's few meters away from all of us. It's not to be a master, it will be any master, especially a Bema. The only phantom check a crack. And some also know he has a point, Kakra, but and you cannot see him found to because Mr. Kwesinya Ntachi is a Muslim. The excess of Islam
Since a guy by between a bomb kakra and Sanomon Kamu. Then no monsa. Sana minim dear, see the antisadia. Baumon no monsa. But Mr. Quesinantechi, a strong Muslim, who question profile no. At the University of Ghana now, no, the Islam community no, 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 Dorma Noa, not as an organization, yeah, the idea, but all those factors being put aside, can opinion in who they are torn. The ain't mean you soon, Sanon, ain't mean you soon, Massam, as basis to determine who is qualified for the GFA position, maybe a main standard on. Michelle Quesinantechi and my head, Massam, Lydia, young fan on Tom check. But I'll come to those particular issues. What the air check in the obey F. But I'm just simply about Dr. Kwame Chen. I'm highly disappointed. Highly disappointed. No, maybe Sano, it should not be entertained. About 3 weeks ago, now Dr. Kwame Chen, through his special assistant, and the Kumasi assistant got to greater crowd, but to just say, opinion be PGF Akunya. He said 3 weeks going through because some year was right after. When you focus on us, your moje status new 2 months. In 2 weeks, can remember. In 2 weeks, the opinion Angasan Kasa dear, but a special assistant of Penny Bit said Dr. Kwame Chen someone can you sure say cook a bit now. Sorry, I can't say be a brand doctor and carry. There were flyers around. When I come, the Susan confirming. And we will be obeying the system in Kotokwa. When you send an Aquame, you will be on the assembly or Casafa Dr. Kwame Chen one now. In 2 weeks, Ken. Now I am down sorry, I told us opinion is on Kobe Mudia. Can I say sometimes now say you muja opinion for unnecessary punches. As a Mount value opinion for public radical. Because Ken, before you decide how you going for the GFA president, you know. About 2 weeks ago, after say Penny determine roadmap Nadia. Can you say, oh, that's what Biana or because I said Nekeke. You put in measures. You do a critical analysis of the Obetimia bring on board. There'll be consultations. So last year, I joined the free debate to just up during his 50th birthday, Wakra. Can we all where we were there? You tell some opinion, can no, I have consultations answer. There are factors I know I consider after say Mr. Kosinantechi on 3 different occasions there to just say Konyano on panel and the influence judge decision to come out. It was sorry and bad on think said what tenor and we did the birthday when you say no I turn his friends and drop on the can and room. No, I have proper ground root analysis and checks. Why evaluating when we say on one casano, the mood do no self attack Konyana and we drew one and some of the betuda. No putting the plans at war, the campaign team was at war. The judge in that kind no baby hit the ground running. Kopama swear na kohe. Also try see an evaluation of himself and some of this has to that. Palm our plan. I enjoy baby on Valley. Silver Sports. Kato Kreku was rumor. But anytime Diana be shia ket baby say Efa Akunya no pen or catch us Debbie until say F she anyway na ket eba bonti officially look at how a ket are now say on social media. Very beautiful. Nana Amponsa for a very long time has been championing. And yes, what can keke? What championing? We're reading up negatives in Ghana Football Association again. Or when they say obetimi ababa solve one sorry and kasa keke. Nteken. Sir Dr. Kwame Chen na say nyoma we nyina ye na out of nowhere. Na koka de betuja na Kwame da kwa de betuda so panyini ne pa akonya no na man for sopano a man for praise no not just 2 weeks later again sambasa on some pay. Can I think the pedigree of Dr. Kwame Chen sometimes you can say ni penumu etimasa ne mane baso there will be consultation so we tell na Kwame dan kwa asem na also panyin na so ne na nka na gene ho I am man for ne ba no Dr. Kwame Chen so and bekasa no take a decision no and oso mo so mo mekasa. I'm so disappointed. 2 weeks pay. Now, Genesis. No, as a leader, you must stand still. You must be ready. 2 weeks, Ken. Debbie, it doesn't speak well of Dr. Kwame Chen. If your mom, yes, I didn't know who send you a tear.
So, problem here, or more, you're fancy cook and Kwame.
Can they no, Ken talk us all Pakunyana. Oh, Pakunyana. that means you have a plan. Like in America, I'm not saying.
And it's the last
You have a policy, you have a manifesto.
Unless open you move about on Tia because of percent or come. Nipani be near car, Mommy and Yapo because you said a voice in the museum. Abia and commodity between your course. Oh, director, dear, Oqua, a bro, what you say. Na Omodia Babant, no more common sense. So what you say, into the Casa Munametry, and no more, so what issue now, or no one can be. But more than some buy and no man about one just a papa cross one sign could be. Just a stance on Casa.
Can say sometimes, you just try to be diplomatic. I see the wada, but no young kind of correct. I see you diplomatic. You are just being diplomatic, say, and you're on the kind. Come on, so cook a bit my sorry, and the assembly about Dr. Kwame, just like that. Opediana, doctor don't need to create a public stand. Are there entertainment for the entire side? Or Baba Bonoma, and I knew be Bab on Tia, and a creative story be after no bad news near discussing, no releasing no. I'm gonna yes, I Silver Sports. But for a big man like Dr. Kwame, the image of Dr. Kwame, it shouldn't be lowered to that extent. Nikwasi lower to that extent. Can the whole setup obi or can be even if because can if Coca cancer if it's not coming from doctor, honestly speaking, the next day you must see an action. Well, I also said a special assistant of Nana Akufo-Addo, or let's say any better cancer be about the intention of the big man. Now later, say no papa na suma na we just musana. No, Ken. Some of these things it's uncalled for. A below belt, 2 weeks, even if it take a month, 2 months be. And I said, they said Dennis.
Mammy Ray, so Nammy, sir, muscle,
Yeah.
Braka Cray.
Yeah.
Answer by your bed, run. So when you say, na or more because answer,
No, there is nothing wrong. Bibiansi has That's what I think. The attorney say, yes, if you more or no one and I drink sorbet. Bemom Crawford to me in a quackasa. No, I dare to sorbet. For example, my own mother. Or no, she's not into anything policy or leadership. But in our town, a drew baby no more ban or one penny for no crew more ban. Yeah, person I would do any more crew in mind. Into a lot of consultation has to go in. Me, and my granddaddy who is fine, and my uncle divisional commander or mention. And we all agreed so uncle because I won't call for bow now so say kobo marking you can't say no sometimes. It is all no way on corner call. And I call 3 times a drew baby can no call on the post. Men can't do, but she did a good job. Into near the Biana one cause I can. Oh, begin said Meko. Bibi to me a trigger bibi na wako. Meaning so what yasia. Into said Dr. Chekase or person call FA now. There is nothing wrong. But the fact that ne personal assistant Eddie aba out no me ne obedi adwen say e collective the omo nyina net na asodwen papa ne jetum so obeko Silver Sports because Coca into me meka asema enya no crowd Dr. Che will certainly take an action and an issue no Coca be kind is about weeks now so ne obeka about 2 weeks obi am be deny and obi am be carry can me so what you say internal stand but emo no kure woman nyina ne say Dr. Che stand there enye ehona ne personal assistant in conform mo ben o mam wa papa the enter or qualified the enter on qualified ne say e was say wo associated with a club for 5 years e say wo like e say only football club be e aduma and I say we part of football club wo come a club be a bobo e say what come ho be 5 years
no 2 to 5 years so he qualified on
okay between 2 and 5 no from what I know now let's say 5
2 to 5 years
from 2
okay,
years from 2
years to
up
5
yeah
good and why got to
qualify why got for 3 years
meba
yeah
meba dia me nim say 5 until let's say that is even wrong say a 5 initial because Mekai said Nintofia go one of these people came out to say that again what the tone chai the doctor even qualifies no doubt about that Kim, what is wrong say nipa best sanadi
okay
you only look at your chances Kim so what you say e bia dia meko e metna say na ma okay me nya meko but
they know better can say if said na any plans or what say I plan for a long term say sa no mo person mo dia na nya so mo de public discuss about opinion no because aduma bebra won yeah that is asante kotoko based on statement abane say or concentrate on kotoko no so what you see nti Senegal dey on plan for long time agent we so mo dey ba man ko for discuss
King, on my plan long time. But Bibi Bama also ultimately take a decision. Bibi Bama ultimately revert a decision. There is nothing wrong with that.
Okay.
At the national level, for you to make a pay case. The bus yen scan and file or Fabia Yancho. Meaning all Tiasia. Ain't what Nazis or the young fan says, and Wakaman family as he qualifies. But what Nazi are any chances. And I can't say what I say.
You know what chances I can say or share Kotokono.
Debbie,
time I'll bet
only man son or the king.
Time for
Only man son or the decision ever. That he knows and son of the decision is part of the decision. Only him Kotokono. And no more crying himself Kotokono, a bit to me more money advantage. The Kotokono crown or more driving on. Because I never Kotokono more driving on the aqua. Ngabi a doctor is a known businessman. But what else? And a better track record in football. The Kotokono like a doctor business or the aqua. Name him later on what's not say. For example, Ken, Mamindin Komoka Crowley. Dr. Anthony Obe. He's an outsider. A bad football. On the outside because media am a board chairman for well over years. Go. On no anga so yes or beko, but people approach him so uncle. Into a coin the issue na be a dilemma. Say so woko, and then yes a woko. Can you bet what I say? Good. Into a na dream so okay or beko. Ena mpanimfo a mo kwa FNB o mo utumi so mbe tumi win. And so approaching and say doc daddy. Wo corporate level way now when e beboa. Any jaimum na me nkona be me vice.
Any when the class action.
Oh, emu say ba nipa ba ko be the possibility so be win here higher. The American so was nipa 2 na e continue ba ko. Ba me to me body inside because I'm not permitted. Enti me ba. Enti no me like me ne kasai because you know he's from my hometown. He's more like my father down for Pabrebo and I know from Kwalabrimo school. Enti me say na my friend na me say daddy this is what I've heard. No say oh say ni and na waka as wafa say inti si anu kro bin so obekwa na onko inti obe wadwen say obekọ ken what as here but obi so no kasa utumi tie mu say dia nipa ne kan mo be de beboa me say menyaya nka doctors Dr. Obin say nko vice ne mani pa no ken me so what as here because all chances were ground say bi mo started that inti there is nothing wrong say or the bar so obekọ na actually no say me obi ala for so no aro bar so obekọ ken and actually what na say bia wa hwe ne chances ne opportunity ehun say e okwa emfa and e bi kwa for example dia wo ka say kotokwa adwuma no em say see enye obi obe who the last no bed made a brilliant submission say kotokwa adwuma no e big into onye no onye ni ye din bi obeji obom bi obeji ken so what I said Mr. Ebed Mensah on here
so support so make say kotokwa na so chame FA
that's the point with your opinion but FA job is bigger
but I think that's why kotokwa we be kotokwa see you you may dream be Ghana man for talk and a debatable baby to me so we president if you are there or your second most popular person
yeah of course second yes King a debatable
a debatable
yeah debatable because
since you be we your man paying few
yeah
why na name trend ba team what you may try what you say
since you are club chairman na champion so you are popular
but
I'm talking beyond Tunchen.
Yeah,
but you're influential
for stories.
Yeah, King, you're influential there. Yes, a doctor. But in mum, FNE a bigger because the whole Ghana and on no clubs singing as. King, but
how many times have boy
there be King T.
And do you go? We have King T. A year. Yeah, also a powerful channel.
Born at King T. Say it. Born here, your Ghana.
You are we are powerful channel. Be away from that's what.
FA president, you're more powerful. Only say. Even the whole world cry taking decision.
I say that town as any man necessary.
King.
I'm a FA president very powerful.
There became my main fa win me.
I'm maybe not.
Dear Tini.
Herbert Mensamono. I want no more Ghana.
Dear never so King dear Tini. We FA president. Even if we are singing a baby a taking decision or bomb crowd. But Kotoko chairman is not there. That is bigger. Again. Ghana born say 100%. A young fans are Kotoko for 70. It's a doctor who 70 so. But every president will hear all the teams will hear 100 so. Inti popular no different from the other powerful. Meaning so what I say. Ebia Kotoko ni be gidi mo. But then because I saw your president of Ghana. King so what I say. And ebia your president will be 1 or 2 regions or so. And now your minister is
but man the bracket
there is nothing wrong so
Gary Banfana because Messi I integrate okay many pass Trinity Council.
Okay. Florentino Perez, or powerful and popular than Luis Ribeiro.
It is not debatable. any debate.
But Ken, did
so be a kotoko chairman.
Ken, there is
a foul in chair.
Ken difference.
Any deal.
Master has not come right.
Okay.
So we in year, you become powerful than the FA president. You be
okay.
We in year. Say we in year. That is sanity. Fiorentino Perez, you know, we in year. That is why he's powerful and popular than Luis Oberes. It is only in year, dear, you become popular. Sana kotokotie. So we kotokoni you become powerful than the FA president. Ken, for that one, it is that one I read that corner. Herbert Mensah was. Nana Batla money already Jahula. I'm no more people wait. Dia kotoko betimi a generate no. We FA president won't even generate not even blasters. For 7 games, Kotoko have raised 37 billion for great profits. Okay, 7 games in Africa, 37 billion for great profits. That is Kotoko for you. Nina to be in here. Dr. Kwame to be uncle consultant so by FA president. Football people, I'm sorry. No. Can the football people was only more. On side or other, they will not come to you unless you don't know them.
Silver Sports.
If you are cancer on cancer, and I'm no way. One vote. Can't take it from me. Oh, you have been uncle to Conqua. Okay, may say what your uncle for me traffic, but don't be
football people don't cry.
They began to have one. You call your congress and one football people for. Now we are suffering the community Uncle Jodama, who's
affiliated to clubs.
Football people for no sorry. Those are the people we're talking about. Obian can wow, Obian baby or more. They will not come to the committee, some FA president. Nobody is saying he cannot be. But the point is that Obian man, you do for now. Oh, Prof Koye, where they are Koye no. Fans nah. No, and the kingdom is on no yard is on carry. And they've realized that it will end in embarrassment. Anything who are the decision is that I be here, Pamlo Tano, and Masaya Chiasan.
Kind of reason,
Master, I also agree. The American is in other aspects, and I'm saying that unkind. Waka, but unkind.
Okay.
Because boldly, I will take Cook's word. Because unkind, I cook. But the point I'm making is that, can so person, oh, yeah, FA president, and now they get out. It's a key year for you to manipulate. And these football people,
I'll manipulate you.
Okay, now you might be a young. I'm much more that crown of my bobno, Massa. Why am I you?
We are positive.
Kakra ye deben. Kakra ye deben. Ken. Enti, Omunya doctor one in a dima, Kotokono yin ya. Kotoko Romo group stage of the Champions League. Kotokone Laliwa. Kotokone Esperanto Tunis. Oh. Wasn't that you was so powerful because Utimika MPP and this boom at the Omujina Fako. That is why he was powerful. Okay. Or have the two political parties or more Ghana and boom. That is why he became powerful. But I don't think even ministers were even closer to Herbert Mensah. No. Herbert was all over. The same thing applies to Dr. Chi.
Oh, you're Kotokoni.
Every brother there. Mr. King, Kotoko generated 37 billion for 7 games in great protein. Can that 7 billion years can get out? From Kariobangi, they see the last game that they played.
I cannot $1 million.
Yes, that is Kotoko.
Therefore, they deal with
big
figures.
The point is that the money belongs to the government.
Yeah. So
yeah, phenomenon to me resist. They can't. They cannot raise any amount. Considering the Chiba FA president, I feel quite was it on the sack of the mobile stadium and the papa.
Silver Sports.
I'm saying that we are Kotoko now. We are fans and unnecessary seminar. Prof, okay. Your football be a guacosino. We need people who are tried and tested. We need people who have the blueprint. We need people who are competent and matramakoe. You hear be on between the blueprint not all. You coach a your division egu, your Premier League yabafem, your blaster kojoto, under 17 kojoto, under 20 kojoto. Ken, and you'll be someone who is tried and tested. Someone who can manipulate his way through. Obi a ramu osroha. Uncle selfish and coheri bottom. And no idea what's here. Maybe decided say I will not talk about this FA position. Nan can be percent me sham obi a ko fan there. Nan clear chichim. O found you ya. Go ke we ya kan. ebedu fiada na bia okoko bi ho asema na wane de wan kofa but ya ba yesi pa mani yesi Georgia free ni yesi Kate ni yesi Woedi ni nti se okosesa obidin de copy card ya na ya kan ho ni analyze odie no nti let's wait but obe nobody expose doctor for public ridicule fans le dia ye de mawa na won so atwe ba bia ugina ne se ade ni metimi aya na nkrofo nkoguma ni mas go again yodium foni bebrebe ya nkrofo bi ho house car se o ka se mo ana se omo be ka obi ka se mti ona de to omani ma omo hye o level e bibi akan omo ko kan hwe omo ko awon omo ka iska din
on some sure
edikin ya make an say
Okay.
First one here, popularity of powerful of GFA president and Kotoko president. You see the difference is that Kotoko is a football club who play competition into fixtures. So almost every week when the season is in session, the club is in the news. They are trending.
That's just very powerful. I powerful and
Remember powerful also, but the popularity. So what he has here, they are always in the news.
Because I feel to take a decision. We have to take a decision. So Dr. Kwame Cheo Koroko on the Kotoku see. I bet to make a decision where team now. Yeah, born quiet more. Anything to know. And because of the war, more density.
What I want to know why in fact patrol. I want to come one question and touch him sign China deal 10 years 17.5. Anything they want anything they want that is why we are here. That is why we went into normalization. Hassan Kotoko. Popularity without powerful. And importance they say. Hassan Kotoko. Fast pie and say. Kasa. What is a house on the Kotoko and baby PLBB? No, master no. Yen two class, no. This thing must be done this way. This is the right way.
Yes, sir.
So, it's America say, let's not compare that. As it stands now, Kotoko is a very big brand. In fact, Kotoko is a very big brand. So what you say? From those days, ABCA in the but Ghana Football Association president, Patwa is no joke. Let's not be fanatical. It's no joke. Say, because we GFA president, Kotoko time and time.
Because
you see,
maybe Spanish national team coach or no call World Cup. I got 2 days here, World Cup. Team doesn't my fan. Because that president is powerful.
That you see,
original president. What was the last one?
It's a different scenario.
A different scenario, but Oshe and Modeno compared to Spain.
We will FIFA.
Kotoko represented the same thing, like Madrid.
Yeah.
It was an unprofessional coach.
President direct class.
So I say,
take a decision about country scene here.
Who said the issue of the issue of our powerful we are Luis Rubiales, the Royal Football Federation president, only Real Madrid. You know their time on my clashing. Who said they used to say about matches in the La Liga Friday? Of course, you know. Who said Federation say daddy? They are showing their power.
Many a year ago, inside the castle, they say, so we are the CC. And one more about 7 games, the Kotokoiting Island. And what dear club in the chrome. And the woman says, oh, you're penny or we would dear the other day.
But they tell that be a new form patrol. Sika, if you generally Sika, if you live in no club.
$6.5 million.
I can't afford another DGF.
$6.5 million.
So there is no comparison. They are only there. No question many patron. Me and Kohono. I never compare me about election patron. The best candidate, and the competent candidate do not always win elections.
Yes, sure.
The most competent candidate, the best candidate, do not always win elections. GFA, let's remember, Adebako Ameka, this is my preamble. The most competent candidate. So what I say, and I say so, the best candidate, they do not always win an election. It is somebody who knows how to go into elections.
But elections about any panel is and you don't have to And that's what America for.
And I'm a troll.
We are doing
The best candidate, the most competent candidate, do not always win election. I didn't find election patron. In my own personal experience, in 2012, when I was on campus, a BA nomination said SRC Sports Commissioner, Sunyani Polytechnic, Obian Kofa. At the time, I was on campus radio. So I thought I was doing sports, so I was more popular. Yeah. But yes, I say lessons. So me kwanda gonna be who say, hey, sorry, massa, big election. I didn't find election. Dabi. I make I left popularity.
Or 70%.
No, I won. In the end, I won. But
that's an out of popularity.
Oh yeah,
no, I end up making no. When you go underground, when you go to the grassroots, oko from no more to abana. Then you listen to them. Okay, was now we share feedback near banner. And how now we say it is not Brofo Auka. Never Brofo Auka. And your master's degree or not your doctorate degree. Not how competent you are. It does not always follow. Until last year, Ambassador Patron. I saw me the
That's okay. Passion Trinity Consultant Limited. And the package man, I'm my.
If I show and they can medical numbers not that you are not can know.
Okay.
I show your numbers near 0247 3032